Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can do real-time camera object detection with machine learning in iOS. We do use CoreML and already actually models made by Apple available. Okay, so yeah, we switched to iOS 12 and Swift 4.2, and also we use Xcode 10 today. And also you need to know that always you can find link to project source code in comments below. And yeah, let's start our project, but before that I'll show you what will be output. So this gonna be our output of device. I just recorded from a real device, and here you
I
can
am
see
97% confidence this object is tennis ball. I am 99% confidence this object is tennis ball. I am 99% confidence this object is tennis ball. I am 99% confidence this object is soccer ball.
this. Here you can see it's
I
under.
am 98% confidence this object is rugby ball.
When it's under 90%, 95%, it's not confidence to tell it. So just write up here. So here you will see record, find it. It's not really sure
I
what's.
am 97% confidence this object is Granny Smith.
Yeah, so this is how you will see. We just can it can very quickly detect object, but not all of the object, and not 100% all the time, most of the time, half of the time, it depend of the object. Some object like tennis ball find it right away. So yeah, let's start it and do something at least better than nothing. Okay, so let's new project, single view app. I name it iOS Swift and so real time object detection. I say 02, and yeah, let's start our project. Okay, first of all, we need to make something extra first. First of all, I'm gonna use camera, so I come to info plist, and here I add privacy to let user know that you are using camera, otherwise it's not working. So here we will say privacy camera usage description, and here I just say it identifier product underline name, so camera, yes. So I add this here, so software will ask user when you run it that I'm gonna use camera, just authorize me first, name of your app. And the other part is we need a model. So because it's time consuming, first we need to have it. So where you can find this model, go to this this URL. I have it in comments, so you can go there and open this link actually in machine learning directory, build run models from apple.com, developer apple.com. Here you have some models ready. The model today we're gonna work on it. It's I believe yeah, this one. Let me go and make sure that, yeah, here we go. It's about 100 megabytes, and it's RESNet 50, yeah, ready model from Apple. If you want to know more about that, you can download it right here and just say detect the domain object present in an image from set above of 1,000 categories such as tree, animal, food, vehicle, people, and more. So this is how it works. So you can download it and copy that one to your project. So how we can do that? Yeah, you will come here, you will, after you download it, like this, you just drag and control and put it here just beside info. And here, yeah, I say copy and item inside my project. This won't be in my source code because it's too big, and it's not covered by GitHub to be there, but I'll put a link for you to download, and you need to drag it yourself to your project. Okay, now we did this part, so we will go to main storyboard. In main storyboard, I'm gonna make my interface. So what's gonna be my interface? It will be one label, actually two label and one view. So first I drop my first label, then my second label, and then view. Yeah, I start from view, control drag from itself to itself, aspect ratio, and control drag from view to super view, or holder view, and I say equal, for example, height. Okay, so I come back here, I'll go to size inspector, and I say ratio I want to be 1 to 1, and for height I just say half of the height. Okay, and then I say this view sits in the middle of the horizontal and vertical. Okay, now I have it fit in my screen, and now I'm gonna sorry, so this one hide behind it, bring it just out over view to be visible, and I can move it. So yeah, I bring it up here, and this one, okay, now I take it back. Okay, so I just brought it top to be able to bring it out from under view, and now I'm gonna make it more customized. So for this one, I just say yes, control drag from label to my view, and I say equal width. So why gonna be equal with this one? Also, I'm gonna stick it to this one and control drag, and I say vertical spacing same as it is now, and now I just need to say make this to be aligned center horizontally. Okay, now my label is just on top of my view, which gonna be my camera. And also for label, let me make it a little bit bigger. So I just make it this something like this. Yeah. And for this label, I just add that minimum height gonna be, for example, 70 or 60. Okay. And for this label gonna be just info label for user that what this software doing. So I just say real time object detection. Okay, and I say this one central. Also, I want this to, yeah, let me make it a little bit bigger, something like 30. And yeah, I just make it to be control drag to this label, control drag to this label and say vertical spacing as it is now, and also I make it to be center horizontal, and also I give it blue color. Okay, and for this label also I make it to be center, and I give it background, yeah, some light blue background to be, you know, clear that this is our talking screen. Okay, now I need to connect these items to my view controller. So I open assistant editor and come here, and from all of my items I made my connections. So first from view, control drag on top of the view lower under the class, and I name it inner view, type of UI view, yes. And let me make some room here for adding two more label that I have. So this label gonna be view label type UI label, yes. And this one yeah, and I name this one title label. Title label and type of UI label. Okay, so I had all of this now connected. So I close Assistant Editor. I'll go to my view controller and start my coding. But I need something extra here. First of all, I need to import some ready framework. So we have UI kit already. So I import AV kit. I import Vision, and I import CoreML and import AVFoundation. Actually, it says you don't need to add AVFoundation because you already add when you will see this cross line, but I am not gonna add it. Doesn't matter if I do add or not. Okay, here I add one variable. I name it relative font constant from type of CG float equals 0.046, and also I create variable by the name of preview layer, and this one from type of AVCaptureVideo AVCaptureVideoPreviewLayer, and this could be new as well. I make it optional. Okay. Also, I need to add some function. Okay, so let me copy those one from function that I pre-typed before, and I just talk about them here. And here you will see the first one is readme. It's a function that's reading. We give it a text with language, and then this gonna read that text for us. So that's why we use AVKits. And yeah, the other one is quick error. I just it's something, we have assert in Swift can handle this, but I did them by the function. So get line and input a string and then show that one to console. So if any it goes error, we can see in console and we can trace it. The third one is update label, which update our label and use dispatch queue to make it high priority. So here we got error, but we will fix it. View label, maybe we have yeah. Yeah, this one is view label, so now should be fine. Okay, so this function, and then we will have our main functionality. So what gonna be our main functionality? So all gonna be happen inside view did load, and then also we will add one extra function for working on capture. To speed up our video, I gonna use pre-typed, I just typed it before, and we will work on it. Let me copy all, and then we will go. Okay, so let me close this and then talk about this codes. So first of all, in first line here, title label, what we did, we said that size of the font for title, use this constant that we made, and depend of the height of the screen, change that one, multiple with this number, and create new size for this one. Also we make same with half of that size with this one, and yeah. And okay, so then we start our camera here. We say capture session equal AV capture, and then we get session present, kind of photo of it, and then we start. So we say capture device. We're gonna be our front video, actually front camera, actually boot behind camera, yeah. And then if not, cannot locate it, they're gonna return and give this error. Probably we will get this error in our simulator if we run it. And the second line, second part, yeah, capture, you're looking for configuration. So this gonna be configuration. This configuration gave say here, just say missing label. Yeah, probably, yeah, change of the version, that's why. So yeah, we add label of them, and here we say okay, input from that device will be input, and we put that input added to capture session and start running capture session. So capture session is going to be the, run this function, and we don't need this part, and here we go for var, so self preview AV capture and then frame, and yeah, we show it in that preview that we have inner view, and get access to the video. Now we we start looking at the capture from here. Yeah, say cannot convert it, so yeah, do it now, and so use as AV capture sample delegate, and yeah, we done. Also in viewed app here, we used to update our preview layer, and we have capture output that here you will see that we work on it, and we buffer it first, and then we get model of it, and then request, and then analyze that request and find out what is the item. Here you will see that I add this one already, so I can use it here. Here we go. So model, I give it this model. If you do not copy it here, you will get error. So if you want to use different models, you can use change this, download the different models and work with the others to see. And okay, so anyway, result will sitting here, and from result we say okay, if it's over 97%, say that one, say that text that I made here, I'm not confident to take this project, or I have this much confidence to this the object. And also if you read this one already, do not read it, so to avoid repeating. So it's gonna read unless a confidence change. Okay, and being over 97, you can bring this down to 50 to get more verbal warning. And yeah, this is how easy it is. Let's run it. Here of course we cannot run inside simulator, but I'll go again and show you how will be our output. Also before that, I'll show you how you can run it on the real device. So yeah, again it goes to this one, so I'm gonna stop it. Also change this one to my iPhone 8 Plus simulator, and I say run it now. Excuse me. So yeah, here you go, we have it, but we got error because from line 38, because we didn't have time. Excuse me. So yeah, I'll show you how it will be out. Yep. So
Is Granny Smith.
Yeah, here you will see that how will be if we look at the different items here, envelope, you will see even to 80%, it goes until 80%, but not over 90, so not gonna say it. For cucumber, it goes over
I am
97. Yeah,
97%
here we go.
confidence this object is cucumber. I am
Basketball.
99% confidence this object is basketball. I am 99% confidence this object is baseball. I am 98% confidence this object is banana.
Yeah, so you will see how it's work, and here show you how in the console detect and write down all information in background. So something like banana or tennis
I
ball,
am
detecting
98%
very.
confidence this object is banana. I am 99% confidence this object is baseball. I am 98% confidence this object is basketball. I am 97% confidence this object is cucumber.
Yeah, your envelope you will see 60% even monitor.
I am 99% confidence this object is Granny Smith. I am 99% confidence this object is tennis
Yeah,
ball.
you'll see it's make a mistake.
I am 99% confidence this object is rugby ball. I am 99% confidence this object is soccer ball. I am 99% confidence this object is tennis ball.
Yeah, so yeah, here that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up. Also, don't forget to be subscribed to receive more video like this. And also, any question, please ask in comment. I will be more than happy to help. And I wish the best for you and have a good one. Bye bye.